Welcome to my channel, and before we start, please click subscribe, or you can also donate to support us. How to remove watermark from desktop Windows 10. To remove evaluation copy watermark on Windows 10 is to run a simple F. The process to remove Windows 10 watermark permanently actually takes less than 30 seconds. But we will show you step by step how to remove activate Windows watermark in Windows 10 permanently through the procedure. First, download Universal Watermark Disabler from the author site. Universal Watermark Disabler is a freeware app which can remove all kinds of watermark in Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and Windows 8. It works in any build starting from Windows 8 build 7000 and 850 to the latest Windows 10 version, including future build. Second, extract the zip file and run the exe file. You can right-click and click Run as Administrator to run the file. You will be present with a warning screen to a user access control warning screen. If you agree, hit yes. Assuming your status is green and starting ready for installation. Just hit the install button. You should see a warning affirming you are going to install on the untested build. Continue, hit yes. You should see a warning screen. You will be signed out automatically. Save all your work and click OK. To complete the process, you do need to log off and back on the system, so make sure you save any work before you click OK. Try to log into your system, and now as you can see on the screen that the evaluation copy watermark on desktop Windows 10 has been removed permanently. That is how to remove watermark from desktop Windows 10. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please click subscribe, or you can also donate to support us.